Good morning, children. We started second chapter and we discussed many points. And last day we discussed about making stone tools. The hunter gatherers mainly they used stone tools for their different purpose. Okay, so that is why this age was known as Stone Age. Okay, because this period people were used stone as a tools. Okay, so that is why this period were known as Stone Age. Okay, so lastly we studied about the two methods, that is making stone tools, that is two techniques. That is first one is known as stone on stone and second one is known as pressure flaking. These are the two methods the hunter gatherers used for making tools. Okay, then these stone tools were used for different purpose also, that also we see, that is they are using for cutting fruits and chopping fruits and cutting animals and all these things we discuss. So they are using different purpose for stones. That is why this age was known as Stone Age. And we can look about how these whether these hunter gatherers used fire or not. Okay, finding out about fire. Now you have to locate map 2. In the map 2, Kurnol caves. Find out the Kurnol caves on map 2. Then in that Kurnol caves, traces of ash have been found here. So from these Kurnol caves, archaeologists find out ashes. So the archaeologists understood that in this period, uh, these hunter gatherers used fire for different purpose. Okay, fire could have been used for many things as a source of light, to roast meat and to scare away animals. So for the different purpose they used this fire. So from the Kunokrais, the archaeologists find out the ashes. So they understood the fire was used to these hunter gatherers and for the different purpose also. Okay, then around 12,000 years ago, a huge changes happened in the environment. Okay, around 12,000 years ago, there were major changes in the climate of the world. Okay, that is with a shift of relatively warm condition. Shift of relatively warm condition. That means a warm condition shifted to cold conditions. So the cold conditions increased. So that is why in the 12,000 years ago, major changes happened in the environment. That is, it is shifted the shifted of a warm condition, shifting warm condition, a shift to relatively warm conditions. In many areas this lead to development of grassland. So because of this climate change, what happened in these many areas, grassland developed. Okay, lead to the development of grassland. This tend to lead an increasing in the number of deer, antelope, goat, sheep and cattle. So because of climate change, grassland emerge. Because of that, there are many grassland depending animals are there. Example, antelope, deer, goat, sheep and cattle and all these animals depending this grassland. So these animals also were increased at that period. So who hunted these animals now allowed them to learn about their food habits and their breeding season. It is likely that this helped people to start thinking about herding and rearing these animals themselves. So these animals increased. So people started to study about these animals. These who hunted these animals now follow them learning about their food. At first they are hunting animals, but in this period these people started to learn about their food habits and their breeding season. Then it is leads to help people to start thinking about herding and rearing these animals themselves. Okay, so this leads to these people started thinking about herding and rearing animals. So it will it may be lead to huge production of milk items and meat items. So the people started to care animals and herding and rearing also started. Okay, then another one important changes in this period is that this was also time when several grain bearing grasses. Okay, so this was also time when several grain bearing grasses including wheat, barley and rice and grew naturally in different part of the subcontinent. Okay, so this was also period of emerging new type of grains, that is wheat, barley and rice expanded in subcontinent, and it is naturally grown in different part of the subcontinent. So men and women and children probably collected these grains as a food and land where they grew and when they ripened. This may have lead them to think about growing plants on their own. So 12,000 years ago, what happened? Important changes, climate changes happened. Because of climate changes, new grassland emerged. Because of this grassland, depending animals also increased, and people started to follow, to study and learn about their food habits, and they started to care these animals, and domestic animals started, and so fishing also become important in this period. Then another one important changes, these grains. This was also time when several grains bearing grasses also spreaded the subcontinent, that is wheat, barley and rice also grew in naturally in subcontinent, and people studied about that one also and started to plant these kinds of plants. So like that production of grains also increased in this period. So the people studied about how domesticating animals and how planting these plants, and how they studied about agriculture also. Like that they started to live. Then in this period many caves, rock painting also find out. Okay, many of these caves in which early people lived have paintings also, rock paintings also. Nearby our Ambalavayal, Edakal caves, we can find out many rocks paintings. So like that at that period people started in these caves, they started to do these paintings on the caves or walls of the caves. So like that they started. Many paintings find out in southern Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh also, and these paintings show wild animals drawn with great accuracy and skills. Okay, so these are the important changes happen in this period. Around 12,000 years ago, many changes happen in this period. About climate changes happen because of grassland emerged, grassland supporting animals emerged. People, because of that, people studied about animals and they started domesticate animals. And another thing is that a new idea of agriculturing, that means the importance of grains they understood, and they studied about that one, and they started to agriculture things also started. Then we can find out many rock paintings in this caves also. Okay, thank you. Children, read page number 16 and 16, 17 and 18. The point about finding out about fire, a changing environment, then about rock painting you have to read and understand, and other class I will explain other points also, and next class we can wind up this class, this chapter. Okay, thank you.